All right. It's been a while since I posted on this channel, but a lot has happened today. And I was just going through in my journal, kind of writing down what happened. And I was like, you know what? I need to take a video of this because, man, it's been a lot. So it's currently January 2026. And for the past 2 years, I've been in what's called the info space. I've been selling info. I've been copywriting for people who sell info. And I feel like it's time to move on. And I don't even know what that means. So I just kind of got my like dream gig with someone who's like just a dream client. I mean, it's like what I always imagined myself doing when I first got into all this. And I did it for a complete month and I gave it like everything I had. And it just still felt like this is not what I'm supposed to be doing. Not that I'm working with the wrong people or using the wrong skills, but it's just the way that I'm doing it doesn't feel right. And so I kind of took 2 days and I just like prayed and struggled and kind of wrestled with God of like, what am I supposed to be doing? Like, you've given me the skills to sell stuff. How can I not sell stuff? Or you've given me the skills to do YouTube. Like, how can I not do YouTube? And not that I'm not going to do that. It's just like God was asking me, like, will you follow me? Not if I allow you to do YouTube, not if I allow you to make a bunch of money, not if you do this, but like, will you just follow me? Period. No matter what. And of course, like every Christian, we all want to say like, yes, like completely. But it's kind of like when Jesus told the rich ruler, the guy was like, well, Jesus, how can I be perfect? And Jesus says, go sell everything you've got and give it to the poor and come follow me. Not that money is bad, but because money was the very thing that he cared for the most. And he's like, are you willing to give up everything to follow me? And I feel like I've been the past 3 days of God saying like that exact same thing to me. Like, will you give up everything? And what's interesting about times in the past when he's kind of asked me to do that, I've kind of seen what's coming in the future. And so it's easier to give up something when you know what's coming. But this time, I have no earthly clue. I don't have any idea. Any of my like normal KJ visions or strategies or whatever, I just felt like this is not it. And so for the past 2 days, I've kind of been going in circles like, I do this, I should do this, I do this. And every time I feel like God is telling me to pause on my spirit. It's just pause. Like, don't think about anything. Don't do anything. Just like, are you willing to follow me with everything? Yes or no? And pause. And so I want to say yes to that. So for the past 2 days, things that I've been doing for years and years, I've just been slowly like letting God show me what to kind of prune and to get rid of or to let go of into this next season. So I have no clue what I'm going to do. No clue. And that's scary. But I think about when Jesus called Peter, I hope it was Peter out onto the water to walk on water with him. He just told him like just to look at him, just look at Jesus. And as soon as Peter stopped and he started looking at the waves and the storm and everything, he started to drown. And Jesus said like, ye of little faith. And he pulled him up and he put him back in the boat. I kind of feel like that. Like I've been walking on water with Jesus, doing things that I should have never been able to do, doing the impossible, honestly. That I'm like, wow, this is crazy that God has done this, just allowed me to be a part of it. And I feel like I just gotta like sit in the storm, but keep my eyes on Him. And because right now there's just like a bunch of waves. I don't know how I'm gonna make money. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know who I'm gonna do it with. Like I'm just like utter confusion, not in the bad way, but just of like, just not having the direction yet, not having the battle plan. So this one's tough. This is one where it's like, God's like, hey, will you trust me even when I have no plan for you? Like, you don't know what's coming. And so I'm just like, yeah, of course. So the past 2 days, I don't know, took care of some stuff that I needed to take care of for a long time. I like unofficially closed down Copy Elite, which is the program and the mentorship program I've been doing for 2 whole years for hundreds of coaching calls and hundreds of modules and hundreds of hours of copy review. And the community is incredible. And I'm just like, I love it. it's just been my life for the past 2 years. And I told everybody, like, it's not that I'm going anywhere. I'm not gonna, be a part of the community. And we still get people asking for copywriters, so I'm gonna keep plugging opportunities and hanging out with guys. But I'm no longer officially doing it. Not selling people into it, not doing coaching calls every single day, not doing copy reviews every 24 hours. So it feels crazy. But I just want to make this video real quick, just for anybody who follows me and has kind of been like, hey, what's going on with KJ? That's a great question, brother. I don't even know. I don't know. Ask God, ask the big man. But what I can tell you is whatever he's got is so much better than whatever I imagine. And it might not make near as much money. It might not give me fame or whatever, but whatever he's got is going to be better. It's going to bring him glory. So yeah, I don't know. Just feel like making this update. And yeah, I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.